And next up is another Chinese. This one's an AKM, and this one is the what we call the brass pin. So it's the orange color, and like all Chinese, it has no saw on it and no wire cutter. This one has a brass pin that holds the plastic material to the grip. I don't think it's the only thing that holds it. It's just there for extra reinforcement, and it does give it a kind of an interesting characteristic look. These are fairly rare. They were available for a while, but like a lot of things, once they stop being available often, they haven't been available at all. So as you can see in this photograph with a bunch of different Chinese bayonets, how the color of these brass pins are a fairly consistent red color. Now this particular example that we have at auction at Pot of Gold Auctions has the Made in China sticker still attached. After all, these are import items designed to be accessories for the AKs that were imported. Thanks for checking it out. So let us know what you think. We'll be watching the comments wherever you find the video, over on gunstreamer.com or on guntube.org. Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourages you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.